Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be solving this particular question. Here we have if x equals to 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3, then we have to prove that 3x bracket x square minus 3 is equal to 10. So this is a pretty famous question. So I'm pretty sure you have already seen this one. So let's try to solve it. Before solving this particular question, you need to know one formula, okay? And that is the formula of a plus b whole cube. And the formula of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b, okay? And that's it. If you know this particular formula, then we can easily solve this question. So we have our given x equals to 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. So let's start from there. So we have x equals to 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cube the both sides of this equation. So cubing both sides, we get x cubed is equal to 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube. Now we have our x cube over here, right? Equals to, we're going to use our formula of a plus b whole cube over here, okay? So we get a plus b whole cube as a cube. So it's going to be 3 to the power 1 by 3 whole cube plus b cube, which is 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 whole cube, plus we have 3ab, right? So it's going to be 3 dot our a is 3 to the power 1 by 3, our b is 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. And we have our a plus b. So it's going to be 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus our b is 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. Okay? So here, what I have done is nothing but just put the formula of a plus b whole cube, okay? And it's our a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. Now, our next step is also pretty interesting. So we get our x cube over here, right? Equals to, we can cut this 3 and this 3, right? And we get 3 to the power 1, which is essentially 3, plus we can cut this 3 and this 3 as well. And we get 3 to the power minus 1 over here, plus here we have our 3, right? Dot. So when we multiply these two numbers, right, 3 to the power 1 by 3 and 3 to the power minus 1 by 3, what we get is 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3, right? The power gets added when there is multiplication. And this is going to get us 3 to the power 0, because 3 to the power 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 is 0. And this is equal to 1, because anything having power 0 is always 1, right? So this entire 3 to the power 1 by 3 dot 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 is 1, okay? Dot. Now, if you look at our question properly, we have 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 as x, okay? This was given in our question, right? 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3 is x. So what we can do here is, instead of writing 3 to the power 1 by 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 by 3, we can just write x over here. And this entire complicated thing becomes a very simple thing. Now we just solve this pretty simple thing and we'll get our answer, okay? So we have our x cube over here equals to, we have 3 plus 3 to the power minus 1 is 1 divided by 3, right? 3 to the power plus 1. Plus we have 3 times 1 times x is 3x. Let's move those x together, okay? So we have x cube over here, that 3x when it goes to the left side, it's going to be minus 3x equals to, we have 3 plus 1 by 3. Now we can take x as our common, so we get x common, bracket we have x square minus 3 over here, right? Equals to, here we just multiply this 3 and that 3, we get 9 plus 1 divided by 3, right? It's just adding fractions, okay? And then we have x bracket x square minus 3 equals to 9 plus 1 is 10 divided by 3 So if you're confused with adding fractions, you can just simply do this in a calculator and get 10 by 3. But what I did here is just use a simple trick. So if you have something like a plus b by c, what you can do to add these type of fractions is just multiply this a and c, right? So you get ac plus b, and you write the common denominator as this particular c, okay? And that's what I did over here. And so we get our 10 by 3. Now, if you move our 3 to that side, it's going to get multiplied, right? So we get 3x bracket x squared minus 3 equals to 10. And done. We have solved our question. So this was what we needed to prove in our question, okay? So see, we needed to prove that 3x bracket x squared minus 3 equals to 10. And that's what we did over here. Okay, 3x bracket x squared minus 3 equals to 10. And done. We have solved our question. So if you found our video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for future maths videos. Thank you.